Hello guys, welcome to my channel Get Job with Preeti. Today I'm here with another work from home job video. So on this video, we are going to see a recruitment update from Paytm. So if you're a person who is having 18 plus age, there are a golden opportunity to earn 30,000 plus on a monthly basis. And they are not asking any specific qualification or anything. Only the criteria is you should be having an age limit 18 plus or above. Also you should be having an Android phone. So a lot of people are eligible for this post, which is called Paytm Service Agent. So if you are interested, please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you are seeing this my channel for the very first time, please do subscribe my channel and also hit the bell button for notification because I always come up with new videos like job and career related. Let's get into the video. So the post name is Paytm Service Agent. This is the official site of Paytm. So let us explore. What is the job? What does the benefits and what is the salary you are going to get? Everything we are going to see on this video. So this job you can do either full-time or part-time, and you can also do this from your home itself. So this is a big advantage for all those people out there. So if you are working or studying, if you want to do a part-time job or if you want to have some pocket money or a part-time income, then this is actually a pretty good opportunity. Okay? So this is the page or notification of Paytm Service Agent. So here they are saying that if you want to earn up to 30,000 as extra incoming, if you are doing something or if you are studying or if you want a additional income, then up to 30,000 on a monthly basis it's possible. You can do this. Also they are saying that you can do it as full time or part time or any flexible time. So this is the main advantage of this job. There are freedom and there are flexibility. So let us explore what are the qualification and all and what you will be doing in this job. So here they are saying the things which are the requirement. You have to be 18 years and above. You should have an Android phone. You should have a good communication skills, also a good networking skills. Now if you want to know more about the job, they have given a video in this notification, and also they are conducting a webinar or seminar, and this is the timing and date of the webinar: every Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday at 11 a.m. and every Monday, Wednesday and Friday for training webinar also at 11 a.m. Now in order to see the details, you can actually scroll down and can see the frequently asked question. So there you will get the detailed description about what you will do and who can apply. So the first question is what I will do. That means what is your job role. So once you become a service agent, you have to do all these things like add shopkeepers for Paytm by placing QR code at their shop. So we all know nowadays a lot of purchase and transactions are happening throughout the Paytm. So if you are adding more and more shopkeepers and more merchandise to this Paytm site, you will get a commission or payment. And also selling our products such as sound books, card machine. There are certain products of Paytm. If you are selling this product, you will get a commission. And also there are other things like example electricity bills, booking train, flight, and things recharge mobile number. If you're doing this for customers, you will get a commission. And this is the main thing you have to do if you're working as an agent. So if you want to know more about the job and all, there is a video here. You can click this, and this is actually here provided some details description about the job. Let's see the next question. Who can apply means what is the eligibility? So that we have already seen means 18 plus age limit. You should be have an Android phone. You should be have a good communication skill and also a networking skill. Additional advantage for all those people who are experienced and comfortable with traveling. So the next question is what all documents do I have to submit? All you need to submit is copy of your Aadhaar card, copy of your highest educational certificate. So the next question, usually how many days does the boarding process take? So it is instant, means very quickly it will happen. So the next question, can I have my own business apart from PSA? In the beginning, I will told you that this job you can do as part-time or full-time. If you are doing this job as part-time, means you can do something other job also. Next question, what will be my payment structure. Up to 30,000 you can get as a payment. So these are the details generally people do ask, and that's why I read out frequently asked question. So we have seen the eligibility criteria, and also we have seen what is the nature of the job. So if you're comfortable with this type of job, you can definitely apply here. So there is no other barrier or skill required, anyone can apply this. Now talking about the selection process, here they are will taking a technical interview and a HR interview, probably because there is no examination, and they will be analyze if you have some prior knowledge or skills, and if you are interested to doing this job, if you are good enough to convincing people, all this thing they will be testing. And so that will be the selection process. So in order to apply, you can see here also there is an icon which is called apply now, and also below you can see the apply now button. You have to click on it and apply online. So that's all about the requirement update of Paytm. So if you are interested, make sure you can apply this as soon as possible. The link is active. Hope you all find this video helpful. Share this video with your family and friends. I will catch you on my next video, guys. This is me, Preeti, signing off now. Until we met, stay safe and be successful.